In this video, we're going to go over our fleet, our aircraft, our simulators, and our in-house maintenance. Throughout this video, you might hear us mention something called a program guide. If you don't already have access to this comprehensive guide about our flight school and our training programs, I will explain how to get access to this guide at the end of this video. This video is going to be split into 3 parts. Part 1, we'll go over our aircraft. Part 2, we'll go over our simulators. And Part 3, we'll go over in-house maintenance. Part 1, our aircraft. Our Piper fleet consists of 2 different models. One, the Piper Archer, which is our single-engine aircraft, and we have our Piper Seminole, which is our multi-engine aircraft. The number of aircraft that we have is always changing, especially because we have an order of 115 Piper aircraft as of the date of this video that will be given to us over the next 4 or 5 years. Part 2, our simulators. We have 2 different types of simulators. We have a Diamond simulator and we have a Frasca simulator. The Diamond simulator obviously emulates the Diamond aircraft as close as possible, as it is an actual hull of a DA-40, but it can be converted to actually train a DA-42 as well. So you get single and multi-engine aircraft training from the Diamond simulator. The Frasca simulator can also be modified to train you in multi-engine training. Part 3, in-house maintenance. Our sister company, Blue Line Technical Services, is our in-house maintenance company. Having in-house maintenance provides several key benefits. It allows us to maintain strict quality control, ensure timely servicing and repairs, and minimize downtime of our aircraft. Our dedicated team of expert technicians are available at all of our locations. If you are wanting more details about what we just went over, please reference your program guide that your training advisor has sent you. Don't have a program guide? No worries. Just reach out to your training advisor and ask for it. If you haven't connected with one of our training advisors yet, check out the description of this video so you can give us a call, or you can fill out the contact form on our website, and then one of our training advisors will be able to touch base with you. They'll be able to get you access to that program guide, and as well, they'll be your personal training advisor, answering any questions you have about becoming a career pilot in as little as 5.5 months.